To set out for a destination, knowing its coordinates will change the moment you arrive, and to enthusiastically begin again, takes a creator. For Laura Kohler, better has long been the destination. Her journey as Kohler's first Chief Sustainability and DEI Officer is shaped by the belief that our best can always be better. It takes a creator to champion manufacturing waste as a sustainable material for tile, because circular design moves the planet closer to better. Or to inspire associate passion and energy to bring safe water and sanitation solutions to life with dignity, because safe water for all puts communities on a path to better. And it takes a creator to inspire 40,000 associates, each with a unique voice, to give their best today and tomorrow take the next bold step. Come all creators, join us on our journey to better for the next 150 years.